Anal. I'm going backwards. Anal. Anal. I'm going backwards, dude. I can't go forwards anymore. All I know is back. Wow. You want extra positive? I'm positive. Y'all ready for this? Bop, 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 bop.
Motivated.
Yeah. Oh, that was good.
Oh, did you see my stupid car upside down?
No.
While I was laughing, I didn't have the mental dexterity to flip myself around. Cody, stop triggering me. I'll have to hold my sides and scream like a gorilla.
Yes!
Flip! Easy! Breathe! Fly!
Oh, missed it.
You didn't miss shit. I knocked it out of your dumb hands.
Man, you got a lot of boost there, Orxon.
No!
Hell's here. Bicycle.
Don't worry, I'm about to hit the shit with the aerial. Wow. Okay.
Wow. Rematch that.
No, he really ain't. Woo!
Okay. Guys, I'm still on the wall. No! Okay, still on the wall. Yo! Yo! I thought if he yelled at the ball, it would turn around. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for some broken shit? Yes! That's not a save at all. You look like you're retarded. Hey! Pop your pussy like this!
Are you ready for good? I'll show you good. I missed.
It's so hard to stop suddenly.
What are you, an alcoholic?